Just see. Today we are going to learn how can we manipulate the attributes of body tag, right? So firstly, there are
Okay,
some
sir.
attributes in the form of the style for the body tag. So we just try one by one. Firstly, just write some content like this. Just use, write the basic tags, and here we directly I am just directly using the body tag. So just type in body and write some text here. Hello, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Just close that. And in this body tag, if we want to just write some content, so just use here the style attribute. Style attribute is a part of cascading style sheet, means it will help us to define the particular style of the tag in the form of CSS file, right? But here we use a CSS coding directly with the tag. We will take the next class of that CSS, right? So first you
Yes,
just write
sir.
style and type here background image, right?
Email.
And just use the colon symbol and just type the URL, you know very well, URL address, and just type here the file name, that is 111.gif, and close this and use semicolon to separate one attribute, sub attributes of the style to others. Just save this and just let's find out the output. So move on the screen, output screen, and just see there. When you press F5, you will get a things like that. Is it visible? Just see. So this is the hello, how are you text, and
Yes,
a
sir.
background image is coming here like this. And if you want to increase the size of that, so just type here. Again, just type here font size, and just type here 20 px. Right, and save this and let's check. Whatever the size of this text will increase, and again just type here 40x. 40 pixel means it will increase more than that in previous one, right? You will get the size of the font increase over the body tag. Understood? And if you want to just make the border of that
Yes, sir.
particular content, then you need to just type here the attribute, that is border. Just type here border and use the colon symbol and write the value, that is the border type is solid, means it will show the solid color, and the space and how many pixel width will be there. So just type here 10 px for the width of this, and for the color just type here red, and use the semicolon and just press S and just move. Coding is visible here or not? Just see the
Yes,
coding.
sir.
This is the coding as we type here. This is the coding. Border solid 10 px and color is red. Save this and move on the resulting screen like this and click on F5 to refresh this file. Just see there. Thick border coming over the body tag. If you repeat this particular text more than one time, copy it and paste it multiple times like this, right? When
Yes,
you
sir.
do these things here, and again just press enter like this, and just save this and see here. Here we just repeating the multiple types of hello tag, hello text, and just go with the resulting screen and you will get the output. Press F5. So see,
Yes, sir.
it is coming like that. So whatever the number of text or lines, you will get all the content within the box as we mentioned in the form of body. Clear, dear? If you want to just
Yes, sir.
decrease the border of this, just type here 2 pixel, it will become 10. You just change the value of this, that is 2 pixel, and just go on the screen and you see there and press F5, just see there. It becomes thin, right? And if you don't want this border, you need to just move on again to coding and just write here 0 pixel, or you just type here 4 pixel. If you want to just give margin for this particular text in the body, so you have to use the tag, what tag? Margin tag. Just type here margin. Okay, and just type here 220 px, 20 pixel, and
Yes,
just save.
sir.
This is the coding. and just move on the screen and press F5 the serial. What happened? The serial. There is some gap from the top and from the left side as the similar from the right side. Understood? So it will help us to
Yes, sir.
decide the margin by using this for the body tag. Clear concept? You can increase the margin, just type your
Yes,
50
sir.
px. You can easily observe these things and observe that in your window like this, right? So here the margin of this screen will increase for the body tag. And if you want to just change the color of this text, you need to move on again on the this particular screen and you can change the color here. Just type here color and color of the text will be just take blue and use
Okay, sir.
the separator and again move on your screen and just let's check the screen. Just press F5. Uh, if the screen is visible or not, let's check. Okay, here we have used a margin
Yes, sir.
that is the 50 px. We have to cut here and paste here. Procedure. And after saving this, let's go with the output screen. Procedure. This is the change as we made here. This is the margin and this is the color of the text will be blue. And after saving this, move on the screen and just check it. Just press F5. Just see the text color will become what? Red, blue, right? Click on set. If you want to just change the face
Yes,
of this
sir.
particular, you want to change the style of this particular text, just type your font dash face. Or you can also use font family, use colon and just type Arial black. Or just type your monotype cursiva, monotype cursiva, right? And save this. This is the coding screen as we type here. This is the font family, monotype cursiva, right? And just save this and let's go with the screen
Yes, sir.
and press F5. What happened? Let's just see here. The text become like this. It is the monotype cursiva font. So just you can try for that and just go with the next thing. If you don't want
Yes,
to
sir.
repeat this image more than, if you want to repeat this image in an x-axis or y-axis, you have to write here repeat tag. Just type here background repeat. Background, use here.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible here or not?
No, sir.
Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move on the screen of the coding screen. Let's click on this and press F5. Right. We want to just see there. If you don't want to repeat this particular background image, not on over the page, you want to just only repeat the particular image in x-axis, right? So we have to write some coding here again and change some coding in this. Repeat. Just type here repeat and use the colon symbol and just type repeat
Yes, sir.
dash x, right? Repeat dash x and save this and move on the sharing screen and click on F5. Just see there. It is not coming in the y-axis. It is also just flow in the form of like this on the x-axis, right? If you don't want to just flow this particular image of background in the x-axis, only you want to just y-axis, then go with the coding and just write here. Just change the axis here. Just type here, repeat at y and just save it and move on your screen, y and press F5. What happened? The serial. It is repeating at the y-axis, not on the x-axis. Understood? Clear? If you don't want to repeat,
So,
if you don't want to repeat this image more than one time, so you just type here repeat or just type here no repeat. No repeat. Let's check here. Save it and move on the screen and press here and press F5. It is appearing here, so just move on the coding and let's check this type here. repeat no. Use the dash symbol and just type here no and save that. And let's check procedure. It's not working, so let's just change the coding again. Just type here repeat no dash repeat no dash repeat and just save that. And let's check procedure. The background image is not repeating on either x-axis nor y-axis, right? Clear here? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, let's go with the next command. This is the part of body attributes. Okay, if you want to just do any effect in the form of the style, these are the different style effects as you studied here. First one, that is the style, and this is my first tag for that. This is for second attribute. This is for third attribute. This is fourth attribute. This is fifth attribute. And this is sixth attribute. And this is seventh attribute, right? And we are going here with the next, that is a link. Just type here v link, v dash link, right? And just give the color red. So whenever we use the link in our body tag, it will show with a red color. Clear here? It will show with the red color.
Yes, sir.
So just use a semicolon and try to create a link. So we just create a link here by using the anchor tag, step A, href. Use here the link of 111.gif or jpg image and close that. And here we need to close this anchor tag and just save this. And let's move on your coding screen and press F5 to see there. Clear, this is the figure. This is the link available there. When you click here, what happens? It becomes red. It becomes red because we give the active
So,
link color is red. It's not appearing. Just read. It's appearing or not?
yes, sir, it's appearing.
Just click on this. You will get the red color on this screen, right? This is the red color. And when you click here, you will get the background,
Yes, sir.
or you will get, it will open the link as we linked here by using this. Okay. And it becomes again blue. Clear, that is the use of which option? This is the use of anchor color tag. This is the effect of this peeling, right? And again, use semicolon is type here. That is active link. Just type here a link and just type the color. Here we just type here yellow color, right? And use a semicolon and again just save this and move on the output screen and press F5. F5. Right. When you click here and we just come out, you will get the yellow color on this screen, right? That is the use of which option? Link color, right? This is the use of A-link, V-link, and you can like the link as well. This is another attribute, that is the link. Not more than that. That is type here. Green like this. And just save this. And move on the screen and just get it. Right, it is not appearing here. When you click on this, that's coming back. It's not working here. So we can directly use the tag. We don't need to use this attribute. You can directly use as a body tag attribute. This type here link equal to this type here yellow. This type here yellow and the save this. And let's check.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That is a link. The result here or not?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Let's, as we made here the changes, this is the A link color is yellow, right? and just remove the A link from here and just save this. And let's check. Okay, just see there, yellow color is coming here when you click on this, right? This is the active link color. When you click here, you will get the which color? Yellow color like this. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
And
No,
last,
sir.
you just write here the code for today. You can use here directly link color. Link and equal to just type your value. I think it is just type brown color. And save it. And again, just check it. And press F5. Right. So this is about of the body attribute, right? And you just learn one by one all the things as we
Sir.
change. Is it appearing or not? Is it appearing here? Coding is
Sir.
appearing or not?
Yes, sir. The coding is appearing.
Okay, just try to do that. Okay. And if you have any queries, just ask me.